keeping it bloody legal. And sorry, just getting continued cleaning up and organising this office, and got a tiny little portable digital TV to put in here. But I know I haven't picked a lock in a freaking long time. So I thought, yeah, why not? And I've got a big bag of challenge locks sitting up there that Shua sent in. Thought I'd just grab one out at random last night. A quick little pick, because I haven't picked a lock in that bloody long. And this is actually a fun little pick. Squeaky by CaptainJim318. It is a home brand lock. Home brand. Not too bad at bitting of my camera, and I didn't put the flash on my camera. Let's turn that on. You dip. So not too bad at bitting. Fun little pick. She does work beautifully. So a little bit of a paracentric keyway, but it's not too bad. So let's get him into here. So I hope we all have a bloody good Easter. Got my kids here for Easter, so you can hear them running around. Sound like a pack of elephants running around. And I may have bought them 145 eggs. Not all to eat at once. Or over 145. But secret. Alright, we're going to use top of the keyway. Because it's quite a narrow keyway at the top here, I can't fit a 50,000, so I'm going to go in with the thickest one from the Sparrow's flat 5. I add or use light tension. Using the the Euro hook from Sparrow's. And it's got a nice thin shank to it. Go all the way into the back, bring it forward and feel for a binder. Show up to about pin 5. A little bit of a felt set. There we go. Nice felt set. Make my way forwards. Counter rotation off 2. Nice click out of 2. Nothing off 1. Click out of 4. She's picked. That's a nice quick little pick. Alright, let's... Oh, come on. But definitely got an open, so I can go and lock them up since we've got a key. Take it on frame. Let's go this one. Alright. So I think I've picked a Captain Jim lock before. It makes fun little locks to pick. Maybe I need the bigger one. Come on. Alright, it's one of them. Alright. Good thing Lockneeb's a legend in the way he designed this. Oh, I can actually grip. There we go. Look at that. Love that gut wrench. It's freaking awesome. Alright, let's turn him like that. And I can hear Matt's lockpick yelling at me. Always use protection. Let's grab a shimmy out just because of that gap. I think that's one. Yeah, that's one. But yeah, I hope we all have a bloody good Easter. Eat lots of chocolate. I'm safe because I don't eat chocolate. So don't have to worry about me. The only chocolate I eat is a tiny little bit of dark chocolate once in a blue moon. And the only time I've actually eaten chocolate on camera was when I tried that Yeah, sirens. Wasn't me. I didn't do anything. The only time I ate chocolate on camera was actually when I tried that wasabi Kit Kat that Stroy sent me from Japan. No, he's not going to fit. He should. Oh, bloody hell. What's stopping him? Sorry, I just got a message through and it cut it out. I'm redoing that portable studio, so I should have. One of these weird that one. Okay, come on. Always the weird one. Alright, so here's a nice little 5-pinner. All this shit out of the way. So 5 really did have to be picked. 4 just a little bit. 3 was a tap. 1 was a tap, and 2 had to be picked as well. Quite a lot. Let's dump these key pins out. Really nice serrated in 1. Standard in 2. Spool in 3. Spool in 4. 5 is a standard, and we have threading in 1, undercut in 2, threading in 3, undercut 4, and threading in 5, and each one of these has also been chamfered. A little bit of a lip on one of them just sticking up. And upstairs is where all the magic bloody happens. We have a spool with a very sharp lip in 1. And a spring that doesn't want to come out. Have a spool in 2 with a very sharp lip on it. Oh, that was lucky. Got a T-pin in 3 and I'm very lucky that that didn't get caught up in the tailpiece where the circlet goes. Have a spool in 4. We like narrowed. And serrated in 5. They all look homemade as well. I won't worry about the springs because they're all stuck in there. Don't know why that gets kind of stuck at the back there. But let's have a look at these pins. So as you can see, 1 we have a really nice serrated pin, spool for the key pin, spool for the driver. 2 is a standard. 3 key pin is another spool. So is 4. Oh, it's almost like serrated in a way. The camera will cooperate. Come on, focus on it. Almost like serrated, not quite a spool. Standard in 5. No, some fingers are in the way. We have kind of like a spooled, serrated driver in 1. Kind of like tapers out. The same as with 2. 3 was a T-pin. 4, the same kind of spool, like tapers out just at the end. And a nice little, I want to say homemade, because the serrations aren't quite even, serrated pin for the driver in 5. So quick, fun little pick. It was longer to bloody gut the thing than it was to pick it. But there we go. Awesome little challenge lock by Captain Jim called Squeaky. Anyway, as always follow the codes. Keep it bloody legal. Don't forget, you can also find Dark Arts Lockpicking on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, where I put up post photos of what's going on in the background. All the fun stuff that's going on around here. Don't forget to come and join us on Discord, the Extremely League of Pickers. The link's in the description, so click on that. Don't forget, if you're looking for great equipment at very affordable and competitive prices, don't forget to check out locksmithstoolbox.com. They're an awesome Australian company, and as you know, that's where I get most of my lockpicking equipment from. If you are after some Delp merch, don't forget it's now on Teespring. There's a link to that in the description as well. If you want to get a coffee cup or a sticker or a shirt or a jumper, whatever that's on there, you can get it. Don't forget to also have the Keep It Bloody Legal section of that as well. I was kind of thinking, talking about it the other night, it'd be awesome to see if we can make the Keep It Bloody Legal like a viral hashtag in a way. But anyway, yeah. Awesome challenge lock, fun little picks. Big thank you to Shua for sending in all these challenge locks. Sorry I haven't got around to picking. It has been absolutely hectic with this lockdown, coronavirus, cardinal virus, whatever you want to call it. It has been going around. You know, everything is getting harder and harder. Work's getting more and more difficult, and yeah. You know, being one of the essential employees working in aged care, it's been quite hectic the last couple of weeks, so I do apologise for that. But yeah, don't forget, you want to get in contact with me, you can contact me through any of the social medias, Discord, or you can send me an email at darkartslockpicking@gmail.com. I'll get back to you if you like what you see. Don't forget the thumbs up, really do appreciate that, big time. And yeah, don't forget, subscribe, hit that little notification bell, that way you can stay up to date as soon as I upload a video. You'll be one of the first to know. And until next time, cheers guys, and I've got to have fun putting all this back together.